up, guys? I want to show you guys a cool new tool I found being in one of the Facebook groups, and I went and bought me one. It's called a sludge sucker. This little tool right here, it creates a little pretty much like a vacuum, a vortex when you connect this here and you connect your nozzle. It shoots water up and it creates a suction to where you can push out water where water buildup is. I'm gonna demo it better than I'm describing it, but let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So we're gonna quick connect our gun right here, and there's some water buildup on this side. I'm gonna use this to pump out the water that's coming up in this area. So right here, we're gonna put this tube right over here. Let's see how good this works. So you guys can see it's pumping out the water here. So as you guys can see, it's pumping out the water from here, and we're pushing it out this way. Typically, we want to have a little bit longer hose to get the water where you need it to be. But in this situation, the water's just building up right here, so we just need to move it to this side of the drop. So I'm gonna start back up. You guys will see some more action. Handy. Turn it back that way. The rest of this water I'll blow.